There is a moment in your day when you leave every position of power, every sense of control, and place your forehead on the ground. That moment is called Sujood. But have you ever wondered what actually happens to your brain during Sujood? Today, we explored the scientific and psychological effects behind one of the most powerful acts in Islam. Sujood is more than a physical posture. It is a neurological, psychological, and spiritual experience. When your forehead touches the ground, your body lowers, but something inside you rises. And that is where the transformation begins. 1. Brain response and relaxation mode. When you go into Sujood, your head is positioned lower than your heart. This forward-bending posture can temporarily influence blood circulation patterns and contribute to a feeling of mental clarity and calmness. At the same time, your breathing slows down, your heart rate decreases, your muscles relax. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for rest, recovery, and healing. In other words, Sujood helps shift your body from fight or flight mode into rest and restore mode, and anxiety begins to soften. 2. Ego deactivation and psychological relief. Anxiety often comes from the illusion of control. I have to fix everything. I can't fail. It's all on me. But in Sujood you surrender. You acknowledge your limitations. You recognize a higher power. Psychological research suggests that surrendering to something greater than oneself can reduce cognitive overload and perceived stress. When you accept that you are not in ultimate control, your brain releases some of the pressure it has been carrying, and that relief is real. 3. Repetition and neural reset. Sujood is not a one-time act. It is repeated daily, multiple times. Neuroscience shows that repeated, structured spiritual practices can strengthen the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for emotional regulation and decision-making. Every time you enter Sujood, you are training your brain to pause, to reflect, to regulate. It becomes a mental reset button. 5 times a day. 4. Humility and stress reduction. Studies suggest that humility is associated with lower stress levels. Why? Because ego creates pressure. The need to prove, the need to compete, the need to appear strong. But in Sujood, there is no performance, no audience, no comparison, only submission. And that humility reduces internal tension. It allows the nervous system to calm down. 5. Emotional safety and release. Many people experience tears during Sujood. Why? Because it is one of the safest emotional positions a human can be in. There is no judgment, no expectations, no noise, just a direct connection between the servant and the creator. That emotional safety allows suppressed feelings to surface and release. Sujood is not just a ritual movement, it is a neuro-spiritual alignment, where the body lowers, the brain relaxes, and the soul feels secure. In a world searching for therapy, meditation, and peace, perhaps tranquility was always waiting in your Sujood. If this reflection deepened your understanding, subscribe to Soul Intelligence, where faith meets reason, and the soul finds clarity through knowledge.